Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Subway Surfers running slow, stuttering when you swipe, or feeling delayed during high speed sections? Here are the fastest phone fixes. First, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, and check the storage bar at the top. Since Subway Surfers slow down noticeably when the storage is nearly full and it does not have room to buffer the fast scrolling track. Offload a few unused apps to free up room quickly. Next, close every other app in your recent app list since Subway Surfers competes with background apps for available memory during a run. Then go to settings again, scroll down to display and brightness, tap on it, and turn low power mode off if it's on since it throttles performance and directly causes choppy swiping response. Finally, reset your phone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. A full reset clears temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent slowdown. And that's it. All you've got to do is close background apps, turn off low power mode, and restart your phone. Subway Surfer runs smoothly again, and that's it. Subscribe.